Hello everybody, this is Camelia from Calcedonia Sewing. Welcome to a new video. In today's video I would like to give you a small review for a free sewing pattern for a girl's tunic dress. It's from a German designer. I'll put the links where you can download this pattern here in the description of the video. The pattern itself is called Nadinchen, I think, is in German, as I said, and it's a very pretty dress, very pretty tunic actually. It has princess seams with side panels, optional pockets, very big white overlapping collar, also a hood, option for a hood, or in the descriptions, in the instructions, you'll find also instructions to make it with just a white big cowl. The hems are finished with bands, the sleeve hems, and also the bottom hem is finished with a band. And you'll see I made one version with a band at the bottom and another version without it. The pattern, it comes in many sizes, bundled in two, so you have starting at size 62, 68 and is ending with sizes 158, 164. I could not find size chart neither on the designer website and also not in the instructions. So the only thing I could do was to measure my girl and to measure a little bit the pattern, and I decided to make a size bigger than what my daughter wears in the ready-to-wear clothes. So that was the size 146, 152, I think. Yeah. Very important to mention is that this pattern has no seam allowance, so you'll have to add that on the fabric or first on the paper and then cut your pieces. Also, you cannot print only. You need to print all the sizes. You cannot select to print only the size you want to make. The instructions are in German. But they are fully illustrated with photographs, with color photographs, so it's not so difficult to understand, and actually it's a pretty easy pattern to sew. As I said, the first version, as you see here in the video, is made in a little bit too big size for my little girl, and I decided to the pattern is made for knit fabrics, so I chose for the first version a black ponte with black gold foil print, and for the other version you'll see it's a very thick double knit or something like that, very thick fabric. The black one is a little bit long, as I said. I think my daughter has more the length of the pattern, and maybe it was better to make the white from a smaller size. But in this version you see the pockets, they are also very low on her legs. She did make a lot of jokes about the pockets being at her knees, but I think in a few months it will fit perfectly. I really like the cowl, so very wide and very big, and you can, as I made it here, I let her to decide which size which fabric she wanted on the upside of the collar and which one under. So this pattern is giving a lot of possibilities for color blocking. Not so much I did not so much on that, but if you put a search on Google for this pattern, you'll find a sea of inspiration with all kind of prints and colors and textures and trims and all these kind of things. The other version I made, so after I finished this one, I realized that it was a little bit on the bigger side, so I made the second version of it without the bottom bands in a smaller size 134, 140, and this is also the size she's wearing from the ready-to-wear clothes. And because I did not add that band at the bottom, of course it did get more like a top, a little bit longer top, and also, as you can see, the bottom of the dress of the tunic is a little bit flared, and if you are using the band is cut smaller, so all that extra length is getting a little bit eased in that band. In this version, I used the sleeves from the longer version, from the 146, 152 size, because my daughter does have a little bit more length, and I think this one is a perfect fit. I did not try yet the hooded version, but I think that one it can be also very cute for a girl. With this being said, she's very happy with these two items. She did wear the black one at her Christmas celebration at school, so that is saying a lot of things. And this is a little bit what I had to say about this pattern. As I said, it is free to download. You'll find on the designer website a small PayPal button where you can donate something. I did download first the pattern, made it up, and to see if it's good, and I was very happy with it, so I did donate something because I think it is worth it. And this was all I had to say about this pattern. It's always nice to find a good working pattern, so that's why I wanted to make a small review about it. If you enjoyed, don't forget you can share with your friends, and also I'll really appreciate the thumbs up for this video. You can also subscribe to my channel if you want to be the first to know when a new video is getting uploaded. I hope you enjoyed and hope to see you next time. Thank you, bye!